Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cynthia Zqueen Bonner. I am a self-taught special effects makeup artist, cosplayer, and prop maker. I want to share with you the techniques I've used over the years to achieve looks such as these. And how to make props from stuff around your house like this to get results like this. The goal of my channel is to connect with like-minded people who are as creative and passionate as I am, so that we can inspire and help each other grow as artists, and really show you that you do not have to have a lot of money to achieve any look that you want. So I hope you subscribe to my channel, come back every week for a new video, and if there's anything particular you want to know, just leave it in the comments below. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.